I want to talk about AI unit economics. Madrona's focus on cloud and data gives you a front row seat to AI driven shifts in business models. What's your AI unit economics checklist? Which costs like inference volatility or human in the loop overhead must founders normalize before you'll lead around?
So this is a really interesting question about the economics of AI. And I think that there's quite a bit of debate here. Now, what we all know to be true is that the key unit of cost per million tokens has gone dramatically down over the last set of years, like the last 3 years, and that is a driver for good because it's the economic driver of what's the cost of reasoning capabilities. Now, some people will even take exception with me using the term reasoning, but when we now have these chain of thought models and other types of reasoning models, I think that's a fair way to frame it. And the cost is going down and the reasoning capability per million tokens is going up. The other cost that's gone way down, and I think this is missed, is the cost of integrating with legacy systems and legacy data. Because what you're effectively doing through the power of AI models is bridging the gap between legacy structured data and structured processes with unstructured data and unstructured processes. And the cost and complexity of doing that is getting dramatically reduced. So if you presume those two things, then you flip it around from a cost-centric assessment to what's the value that you can both create and capture as a business? And why do you think you can create and capture that? Some people have a view that all of these next generation applied AI companies, or what we call intelligent applications, are going to have lower gross margins than historical software. And I think with some of those trends I just articulated, I don't think that's true. I think you'll be able to have competitive gross margins, and you'll actually have this opportunity through the flywheel that we've talked about creating to over time have sustainably competitive, attractive gross margins.